Okay, hello. This is part 3 of 10 Seconds FL, and on this training video, I'm going to show you guys how we can get rid of the green screen and put pictures on video 1 below it as a background. So I'm going to go ahead and first of all, just double check that all my video clips are on video 2. I should have a gap here, right? On video 1 should be empty. And I got to go get some pictures. So Google Images, right? So I'm going to go to Chrome, and I'm going to get started here. I'm going to go here to Google. Click on Google, right? All right. So from MrJaffe.net, click on Google, and I'm going to type in here SpaceX. Let's say I just want to find whatever your topic is. Make sure it's school appropriate though. If it's going to be people, they have to be wearing clothes that would pass our dress code. So you can't have girls in bikinis, you can't have boys without shirts, that kind of thing. Okay, has to be dress code. I will give you 0 on the project if you don't comply with this. And anyways, keep going here. I'm gonna put my key search word, and I'm gonna click on images, and I'm gonna go find a picture that I might want to use. All right. Find a picture. I'm looking for the one. Ooh, I remember that. Remember we saw that? That might be kind of cool. Oh, I want this one. Also, when you hover over these, you'll see the size in pixels. And remember, our frame is 1920 by 1080. So we don't want anything super small because it's going to be very pixelated. We want to pick up something that when we resize it, it won't, get too pixelated in our resizing. So be aware of that when you pick a picture. Don't get anything super small. Click on it so we get the bigger version. Then I'm going to right click and I'm going to save image as. You have to save these in your 10 seconds folder. Okay, so you're going to go to your documents and you're going to go to your 10 seconds FL folder and you're going to save it there. It's going to have some crazy name. Save it. You could do more than one. You can get as many pictures in this behind you as you want, but I'm just going to use one, and you'll have to just you do the same technique if you want to use multiple pictures. All right, so let me get that out of the way. And now I got to bring those pictures in. I need those in my project, so I'm going to go up here to File, Import, and it should take me right back to my production folder. 10 seconds FL folder, and I'm going to double click on the picture. The default amount of time that a picture will go on a timeline is 5 seconds. So 4 seconds and 29 frames is 5 seconds. And you can change it. I'll show you how to change it so it could be the one picture behind the whole thing. And now I'm going to click, hold, and drag it and place it right below my video 2 video clips, right below there, and it is on there for 5 seconds, but my video is almost 14 seconds, so it left a gap there. That's okay. I could put another picture in there, or I can click on the right edge. See how I just come right up to the right edge and I get that little red guy there? I click, hold, and drag it out, and I can snap it to the length of my video there. So there it is. It's back there behind my green screen, but I can't see it. It's in the way. The green screen's in the way. So I need to find a way to get rid of my green screen, and that is some effects. These are the effects that are built into Premiere Pro. So down below here where I have my project files, I have some other tabs, and one of those tabs is effects. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to go here and search. I already did it. I'm going to search for a keyword for the effects. I'm probably going to forget the name of these effects, but if I click on a keyword, it helps pull them up because there's hundreds of them. And if you look at all these different categories of effects, they're going to be hard to find if you just start exploring for them. So it's good to know a keyword for the effect. And in this case, the keyword is key because I'm going to the idea of taking away a color from a video or a picture is called keying. We key the color and remove it. So I'm going to put in K-E-Y for key, and I'm going to see that there's a whole bunch of effects that I could use that relate to the word key. The one you got to use to get rid of the green screen, the best one, is called Ultra Key. And what I need to do is apply this Ultra Key effect to all of my video clips that have green screens. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to hold down on the Ultra Key. I'm going to click, hold, and drag, and place that right over the top. I'm going to Command Z. I don't think I did that right. Let's try it again. Over the top of each one. Okay, just placing it on each of my video clips because I need to remove the green screen on all those clips. See what I'm doing? So that's how you add an effect, okay, to a clip, video clip. Now I need to go to the settings. I got to tell it to remove green. So if I come up here to my video editing monitor up here on the left, there's another tab that says Effect Controls. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to go and I'm going to click on this. Make sure I click on this particular video sequence, this first one, for first video clip. And it shows me some built-in clips, motion, opacity, and time remapping. But you'll see your Ultra Key effect right at the bottom of the ones that are automatically added. You should see it right after time mapping. You should see Ultra Key. And scroll down. There should not be 2 Ultra Keys. If there is, click on the extra one and hit the delete key to get rid of it. You just need 1 Ultra Key. So if you were kind of careless when you were dragging over the top, right? Like if I do it again like there, you could see that I've got 2 of them. So go to the bottom one, click on it, and hit the delete key. You should just have the 1. Okay? There's an eyedropper there. So I'm going to click on the eyedropper. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click somewhere on the green screen. And I now remove the green screen. I can see there's a little bit of green still left. So I'm going to go to the setting. I'm going to change the setting to aggressive. Now you can see that I got rid of all the green. And it did a really good job of it. And I need to do that on each one. So I'm going to go here over the top of this one. I'm going to click there so that I could see the effects on this video clip. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to use the eyedropper tool, click on the green, change the setting to aggressive, and I'm just going to keep working my way across for each one. Okay. Got a class I need to let in the room here, but I got to do a few more things first. You're going to have to wait. Sorry, 5th period. You're going to have to wait. Okay. Now, the only thing I can say at this point, I'm almost done, is that I can't see all my picture. Picture's kind of small. So that's also an effect that's already built in. So instead, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, doesn't matter where the clip is now, because, well, it does matter if you're using multiple pictures. You've got to click now on the picture. So here are my settings for my background, my video 1 picture. So I clicked on it, and now my effect controls show me that. I'm going to go to motion. I'm going to click the little greater than sign there, and I'm going to go to scale, and I can see 100%. I'm going to click, hold, and drag it. Try that again. Click, hold, and drag it until the picture fills the back of my screen. You don't want to drag it too much, because otherwise it's going to be pixelated. So you need, if the picture is too small, you're going to have to find a bigger picture. Okay, but now when I play it, you can see I've got this picture behind me. And I got a little bit of green still kind of showing a little bit in some of the corners, but that's just because the green screen wasn't lit good enough. But that's okay, because at least now you know the pieces and how to do this. All right? So get this done, and then do a Command S when you're done to save it. All right, thank you. And the next video training video you need is the last one, which is 10 Seconds FL Part 4.